Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Jellyfin. First, prepare your system. Jellyfin is a fantastic open-source media solution, transforming your personal content into a private streaming service. You will need a dedicated computer or server, perhaps with at least 4 GB of RAM, to host your media. Organize your films, shows, and music into distinct, well-named folders. This structure simplifies the setup process significantly, ensuring your media is ready to be discovered. Next, let's install the Jellyfin server application on your chosen machine. Head over to the official Jellyfin website to find the correct download for your operating system, whether it is Windows, Linux, or Mac OS. Run the installer and simply follow the straightforward instructions provided. For most home users, accepting the default installation settings is perfectly fine, making the process quick and easy. This step typically takes only a few minutes to complete, preparing your system for the next configuration. Once installed, open your web browser and go to your server's local address, typically found on localhost at port 8096. This will launch the Jellyfin Setup Wizard, which is intuitive and easy to follow. Your first task is to select your preferred display language for the interface. Then, you will create the essential administrator account, so choose a strong password and remember your username for future logins. This account controls all. To elevate the flavors, add fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme to the roasting pan during the last few minutes. A simple pan sauce, perhaps a reduction of white wine, also complements the quail beautifully. Before serving, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a sprinkle of chopped parsley adds a bright finish. Pair your delicious quail with roasted asparagus or small baby potatoes. This creates a truly elegant and complete meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.